Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Anna has a beautiful blue dress. She wants to wear it to a party next week. But the dress is dirty. Anna cannot wash it at home. The dress needs dry cleaning. Anna puts the dress in a bag. She walks to the dry cleaner on Main Street. The shop is small but clean. A friendly woman works at the counter. "Hello. How can I help you?" the woman asks. "I have a dress that needs cleaning," Anna says. Anna takes the dress out of the bag. The woman looks at the dress carefully. "This is a lovely dress," she says. "I see a small stain here," the woman says. "Yes, that is from coffee," Anna explains. "No problem. We can remove it," the woman says. "When will the dress be ready?" Anna asks. "It will be ready on Thursday," the woman answers. "That is perfect," Anna says with a smile. "How much does it cost?" Anna asks. "It costs 12 euros, the woman says. The woman writes a ticket for Anna. "Please keep this ticket," she says. "You need it to pick up the dress." Anna puts the ticket in her wallet. "Thank you very much," Anna says. "See you on Thursday," the woman says. On Thursday, Anna goes back to the shop. She shows her ticket to the woman. "One moment, please," the woman says. She goes to the back of the shop. Anna sees many clothes on hangers. The woman comes back with the blue dress. The dress is in a plastic cover. It looks very clean and fresh. The stain is gone. Anna says happily. Anna pays 12 euros for the cleaning. "Thank you for your help," Anna says. "You are welcome. Enjoy the party," the woman says. Anna walks home with her clean dress. She is very happy. Now she can wear her favorite dress to the party.
Learn with LingoStories.app.